Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, nandito na naman tayo sa ating AutoCAD tutorial. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is gagawa tayo ng technical bearing or lot description natin. So, meron tayong technical bearing dito. There are two ways na pwede natin gawin ito. The longer one at saka yung shortcut. So, unahin muna natin yung longer na paano siya gagawin ng mas mahaba. So, key-in lang natin yung polyline, PL, yan. Then, click tayo anywhere dyan. And then, unahin natin yung 1 to 2 na point. So, from that 1 to 2 na point, meron tayong 20.04 meters at saka yung bearing niya. So, for us to do that, i-shift at nyo lang. Shift at. So, mag-iiba yung, yung pagkikiin yan. So, key-in nyo yung 20.04 and then click tab and then ilagay natin yung N and then 83. So, yung symbol ng degree is hindi tinatanggap dito sa AutoCAD. So, letter D yung gagamitin natin dyan. 21 minutes and then W. And then click enter. So, yan yung unang point natin. Tapos yung sa pangalawang point, key-in natin 6.69 and then tab and then lagay natin yung north 83D 24 minutes W. Okay? So, enter. Yan yung second point natin. And then, point 3 to 4, itong 3 to 4 na yan. Okay? So, 3 to 4, yung distance niya is 11.79. Then, tab. And then, key-in natin yung north 14D 29 minutes east. Okay? And then, click enter. Okay? And then next is yung 4 to 5 natin, which is 19.07 meters. And then tab. And then key-in natin yung north 14D 27 minutes east. Okay? Click enter. And then next is yung 5 to 6 natin. Ito, south east naman siya. So 22.65 and then tab S 83D and then 21 minutes E and then click enter. Yan. Parang mali. Bakit? Dapat south is yun. So, balik natin. Control Z natin yan. So, 22.65 and then tab and then north south pala, south 83D 21 minutes east. Okay, click enter. Bakit tumataas siya? Dapat bumababa yan kasi south nagiging northeast siya. Okay? Control Z natin yan. Okay, shift at ulit natin pala. Shift at kasi nag-control Z tayo. Shift at. Okay, and then key-in natin yung 22.65 tab and then S 83D 21 minutes east. Enter. So, yun. And then, yung last is, pwede na natin yung i-close. Like, C, ilang yung ating i-key-in. C, and then enter. So, kung nag-close na siya. So, yan yung longer version nito. The shorter version yan is gagamit tayo ng Excel file. So, may ginawa na ako kanina dito Excel file. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is i-key-in lang ninyo. Okay. Etong mga bearing na yan from here. So, yung bearing nito, north-south. So, drag and drop nyo na lang kung alin yung north. Okay, so yung north natin, 4 na north, 2 south, and then 83 degree. Ito yun, itong pangalawang line na yan. Etong minutes, itong pangatlong line na yan. And then yung east and west natin, ito yung last na line na yan. And then lalagyan natin yung distance. Itong mga distance na yan. And from there, meron tayong i-copy sa AutoCAD. So, etong mga yan, kakopy natin dyan. So, Control-C mo yan. Okay. And then, ang gagawin mo ngayon is polyline ulit, and then click mo yan, and then click mo lang anywhere dun sa starting point mo. And then from here, dito sa baba sa command line na yan, Control V mo yung ginawa mo. Control V. Yun. So, natapos na yung dalawang option natin for the lot description. So, kaya nang bahala kung alin yung gagamitin nyo. So, that's it guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video tutorial, and watch out for another video tutorial na gagawin pa natin in the near future. Salamat and have a good day everyone.